I am going to give you an example of how to create a blog on blogger.com. The first thing you do is you go to www.blogger.com, and that'll bring you to this page. Now I'm operating under the assumption that you have a Google account. If you don't, you need to get one before you start this. You sign in with your Google account. I'm just signing in with mine. Okay. And that brings us to this page. Once you're to this page, you can see I already have one blog here, but I'm going to go ahead and create a new one right here. So I'm choosing new blog. I'm going to give it a blog name, so we'll give it the name Tech Example. And then we have to create an address for it, a URL. So we will give it the name Tech Example and see if it's okay. That is not okay, so let's make it Tech Example 2. Great, that's okay. Now we've got to pick a template, and we can change this later. This one's nice. Let's take that. And then create the blog. There it is. Okay, so here's our tech example. Here's our blog. Let's choose Start Posting. Okay. Once you get to where you're posting, I would like you to give your post a title. Call it About Me. Because what I want you to do is to write an introduction to the class that you are going to be co-teaching, so that if you end up using this blog, it will be set up already. So just like it is a regular document, I go ahead and type it in. If I wanted to put in a link to a picture or a movie or something like that, I could do that. But I don't particularly want to right now. I just want to get it really simple. So let's preview it. And there's our preview. Now I already put in my profile, but I'll show you that in a minute. To get out of this, you actually just go ahead and close the window. It's popped up a second window. So there we go. There's that. We'll save that. Saving. And that's done. So let's go over here and take a look at your profile. Now, I want you to edit your profile. And under your edited profile, I want you to put in a picture. Okay, so you can choose share your profile, or you can choose not to. You can choose to show your email address, or you can choose not to. Show sites that you follow. I'm going to choose not to. And if you want them to show your other blogs, once you have other blogs, you can put that in there. Your username goes in here, your email address goes in here, and the display name is what will come up when you make a post. Here it has a setup where you can put in an image. I want you to put in an image. I believe you already have one that you used for the STEP program. Put that in, or if you want to put something in that shows something more about you, that's great too. There's some other things you can do here, and if you're more advanced, go for it. When you created your blog spot, it made a URL for you. So in this case, that's my other homepage URL, so that's the first blog they'd go to. put in www dot whatever it is that you chose for your URL, and then .blogspot.com, and that will get that in there. You do not have to put where you live. You probably should put in that you're in education, and you can fill in this as you like. It might be nice if you put in a few things just so your new students know somewhat about you, but you don't want to get too personal here. And then you save your profile. At this point, you can view the updated profile, and it looks like that. Exit your profile, and you should be done. Okay. So now that I'm done editing my profile, I'm going to go ahead and just close that window, go back to this. I'm still pretty good with this, so I'm going to choose to, it'll say publish or update there, choose that. And then you've got that. If I want to go back in and edit it, there it is. If I want to just look at it, there it is. If I want to delete it, check it and delete it. And that should get you started with your basic blog. You might want to change your template later. You might like something here better. So this is what we have. So I went to templates, and there's a whole lot more choices once you get inside. Fool around in this just a little bit in templates. If you're really tech savvy, play on the other stuff. If you're not, you might want to just stick with this for a while until you're comfortable and you can move forward.